Is your Duolingo looking sick and injured? This is how you can fix it. So as you can see, mine is very healthy and it's not showing any symptoms or any signs of sickness. Now, if we go on ahead and go to Safari and search up Duolingo sick, this is what it looks like. Now, if you have this icon for your Duolingo app, it's actually a pretty easy fix. But first, let's dive into why and how you have this. Well, it's because you don't use Duolingo enough. The less time you spend with Duolingo, the sicker and uglier he gets. So make sure to keep doing your lessons and keep learning the language you chose. So, how do we actually fix this? As you can see, whenever I open Duolingo, I have this streak going on. I'm currently at 77 days, going on to my 78th. But basically, what you're going to want to do is keep using Duolingo every single day until you get a high enough streak. For example, maybe at least 5 days. And you should see progress on your Duolingo app, and he should get better and better by the day. And yeah, that's how simple it is. All you have to do is use the app so that Duolingo can have a little company. Because all of this abandonment is actually causing him to be sick and ugly. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.